Create a website on Wix free. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a website using Wix, start by going to your website and searching for Wix. Click Get Started and sign up with your email or Google account. After that, click Create New Site to begin the process. Now select what your website type will be from the available options. After that, set your website name and click Continue to proceed. Next, choose what app you want to add to your site from the selection menu. Now click Design Site to move to the customization phase. After that, select Pick a Template from the design options. You can choose any type of templates, but for now, let's use blank templates to start fresh. After you're in the editor, if you want to edit the title, just click the text and then edit text. If you want to change the background, just click the background and click Change Background. Select one image from Wix where you can add your own media. Now if you want to edit the button, just click it and choose whether you want to edit the layout or design. If you want to add new section, just click Section on the left bar and then add blank section. Now if you want to see the preview, just click Preview on the top right.